legality of this meeting. Chairman wasn't present. There was a quorum, and I was wondering how this meeting could be conducted without the chairman present.
I'm not sure there wasn't a quorum. There was not a quorum.
At that time, we only had 7 members on the board.
Our bylaws say a quorum must be 5 people. That's the reason you need alternates.
Okay. So there wasn't.
Is it
So there
5 people or majority?
It says 5 people specifically, Craig.
Bylaws or guidelines?
Bylaws.
Bylaws or guidelines?
Yeah,
Well, let's get somebody to rule on it.
yeah, it says 5 members under section 4. 5
Yes.
members
Absolutely.
shall constitute a quorum.
So there was no quorum, and it was chaired by Ted, who is not even a member of this board.
I was at, well, read the contract with the chamber and the TDC. I was asked to,
The meeting notes state that Ted Emsinger called the meeting to order at 4:11 in the afternoon or 4:12. I'm right on one of those numbers.
yeah, well,
All right, 4:11. And by law, you're not allowed to call any meeting to order. Not this commission. You can call other meetings, but not this one.
It says nothing about the specifics.
Not in our bylaws.
What's that?
That was
In our
about.
bylaws, it talks about the alternate
Okay.
under section 3 under the membership.
But does Tommy Reeves say majority or does it say 5?
Says 5. Bylaws says 5.
I was asking, does Tommy Reeves say majority or 5?
Well, Tommy's not here to answer.
Right.
Yeah.
Tommy told the county commissioners our bylaws don't mean anything. Now, do you believe that our bylaws don't mean anything? It's on John's site right now. You can go look at it.
Well, I can't get on there now. I'm going to today.
Okay. I think we're bound by our bylaws. If you want to break the bylaws, you can break the bylaws. I've been told by an attorney in Tallahassee that this was an illegal meeting.
I guess this would be a question, Mr. Chairman, if it's majority or 5, and that'll be a question that Tommy Reeves can answer.
Yeah. With that being said, we can table this till the next meeting and have
Well,
Mr. Reeves. Yes, sir.
I think we ought to discuss it, operating without a chairman or a vice chairman.
Yes, sir.
You want me to have somebody here from the Attorney General's office next month? I'll do that. And I'm serious about this.
well, that'd be fun. Let's
This
do
was
it.
an illegal meeting.
That's fine.
And you saying illegal because there wasn't enough people here?
There were not enough people here, and there also was not an officer of the board that called the meeting to order.
Okay.
Only the chairman, or now the vice chairman, can conduct a meeting. That's by statute.
So we got 2 questions to ask Mr. Reeves. Is it majority or 5? And
Right.
does chair or president is not one elected, could somebody else hold the meeting?
Didn't you and I have a discussion prior to that meeting?
It didn't like me, I'm not sure. I don't think.
So you knew you weren't going to be there.
No, I didn't know. I didn't know.
There was one meeting that you could not make it to.
It was one special meeting, but it was not this special meeting.
Well, I still think though that we either are going to abide by our bylaws or are we not. I mean, these are Madison County bylaws.
That's right.
It specifically does say 5 members shall constitute a quorum, regardless if there was 7, 8, 10, 15.
If that's the case, that's fine. I'm just asking for our attorney's reading on that before we go.
If you'd like me to, I could ask the attorney to come next meeting. It's up to the board.
That's fine, or he can just answer those 2 questions and let you know.
Okay, on the letterhead.
Right.
Okay.
Hang on 1 second.
Yeah. Yes, your copy of the chamber contract there for a second. I only had 3 copies. Gave all 3 out.
Can I read something?
Yes, sir.
When the time of a meeting has arrived, the presiding officer opens it after he has determined that a quorum is present by calling the meeting to order. That's very specific on 2 points. An officer must call the meeting to order, and there must be a quorum. This meeting had neither. It was chaired by somebody that we employ, and there was not a quorum present. That's the only way you can read this.
Okay. Ask and answer. We're gonna get Tommy Reeves to give us a ruling on that.
All right, ask Tommy Reeves.